This traditional caldine or caldino is made by simmering pomfret in a delicious strained gravy made with whole spices, turmeric, salt, garlic, onion, coconut, and tamarind. I have some beautiful sliced black pomfret here. This is about 600 grams and that's just over a pound. As you can see, I also have the head and tail. I'm not going to marinate this, but I am going to use this later in the recipe. Marinate this with the juice of half a lime, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, salt to taste, and 1 tablespoon of ginger and garlic paste. I'm going to work this into the meat and make sure that it's marinated well and keep it aside. To make the masala, I'm going to lightly toast some whole spices. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of black peppercorns, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of coriander seeds, and I have 2 red Kashmiri chilies here. I'm just going to take the stem off and I'm going to add it to the hot tawa. Saute this till it's lightly toasted and then allow it to cool. Once cool, place it in a food processor and process this to a powder. Into the food processor, I'm also going to add 1 teaspoon of turmeric, salt to taste, 4 garlic cloves that I've just roughly chopped, half a cup of onion, 1 cup of shredded coconut, and 1 ball size of tamarind that I soaked in hot water. I was careful to make sure there are no seeds. Grind this to a paste. We want this curry to be nice and smooth, so I will strain this to remove any solids. Add the leftover solids back into the food processor. Add more water and grind again. Strain this again. Add the solids back into the food processor jar and add more water. Strain it again. And I'm going to do this one more time. In total, I've added 1.5 to 1.75 cups of water. Now let's start making the curry. In my pot, I'm going to heat up a half cup of coconut oil. And I'm just going to give my fish a quick sear. Now please note, this is not traditional. Typically the fish is just poached in the gravy, but since everybody in my family prefers the fish a little bit fried, I just give it a quick sear on both sides and remove it. The fish is mostly raw, which is why I have put it back in the marinade bowl. Next, in the same oil, I'm going to add half a cup of finely chopped onion. Allow the onion to sweat and then I'm going to add in half a cup of finely chopped tomato. Cook this for a few minutes, allowing the tomatoes to get nice and soft. I love a golden caldine, so I will add half a teaspoon of turmeric. Remember that fish head and tail? I'm just going to add it in to give that curry some extra flavor. Now it's time to add in all of the strained gravy. Put a lid on this and allow this to cook for 2 to 3 minutes. I like to add half a cup of coconut milk in. This just gives the gravy a lovely creamy feel. Check for salt and add salt to taste. Now before I add my fish back in, I'm just going to fish out the head and the tail. You can leave it in if you wish, or you can also add it in later. It's a delicacy for many that would love to devour it. Now I'm going to add in all of my fish slices very carefully and all of the leftover marinade. I'm also going to add in 2 to 3 slit green chilies. Give the pot a little shake, as you don't want to stir the fish at this point. Cover it and cook it for about 5 to 6 minutes and turn the heat off. Give it a shake again and serve this hot.